again everyone. आप सब जानते हैं कि at High Life Dubai we are always high on fashion. And there's something about the runway that really makes my heart race. So tonight we've picked up 2 top quality fashion shows for you to feast your eyes on. We start with an exclusive preview of Paul Carr's Spring Summer Collection 2010 at Harvey Nichols, Dubai. The founder of Paul Carr has created this brand in 1987, imagining dreamy Parisian woman in a timeless style exuding subtle elegance. An admirer of ageless beauties like Jackie Kennedy, Audrey Hepburn and Grace Kelly, he has always preferred simplicity of forms, and this collection also reveals a melange of contemporary chic.
I'm actually representing the brand Paul Carr over the Middle East region, and Paul Carr being exclusive to Harvey Nichols in UAE, we were organizing this event in order to invite all the loyal customers of Harvey Nichols for this event in order to present them the new Spring-Summer 2010 collection, which has just reached the floor.
Season after season, Paul Carr Creations present modern cuts combined with the choice of the finest fabrics. It has been said that any woman who wears a Paul Carr's creation feels like an ambassador of fashion French style. I like that.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I told you how I feel. It's been a long time.
And now, after the Parisian influence, let's go for something Belgian. No, not their yummy chocolates, but their equally yummy handbags. Handbags are not just a necessity to carry your things around. They can make a huge style statement, and Kipling offers an amazing selection to choose from. The Spring-Summer Collection 2010 from Kipling epitomizes the fun element in handbags. So, whether you are out on a girly day out or a picnic at the beach or a romantic dinner, whatever the occasion, Kipling has the right bag for you.
Yeah, the brand is really successful. We are sold in 64 countries around the world, which is amazing. And we sell more than 6 million pieces a year, which is kind of even scary when you consider that it's a Belgian brand. And in Belgium, there are only 11 million people. So it's kind of a big brand in a small country. We mainly focus our range on handbags, wallets, purse, small accessories and travel. And in fact, the purpose behind the brand is to be able to follow the woman in their day-to-day, in their daily life, you know, be able to follow the woman in all moments of her life.
And now, to give you a taste of what we are talking about, here's your chance to own a Kipling handbag. Kipling is giving away 4 handbags worth 500 dirhams each. Just answer this simple question. Where does Kipling originate from? A. France. B. Belgium. C. Switzerland. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae or go on our website, click on competition and answer the simple question. And with that, I move on to a letter from our viewer that is addressed to the Lifestyle Guru. The letter is from Shivani Mehta, who's 26 years old, events manager. She loves watching High Life Dubai. Thank you. Shivani likes to have her makeup in place all day long as she's constantly on the move and has no time for touch-ups. She has tried many brands of mascara but is not happy with the outcome as yet. Well, Shivani, I'm glad you wrote in as we've got the right product for you.
I'm Rola Yassin, okay, the makeup artist of Clarins, okay. Today I'm introducing for you the new mascara of Clarins, the Winter Perfect Mascara. The mascara for all the women who are looking for maximize volume, curve and length. In Clarins mascara we have it, there is like a treatment for the lashes, plus it's a Clarins mascara, it will give direct the effect of the lashes. Especially it's easy to using, it did not give like it's sticky the lashes, it's not make it like messing like in the eyes, okay, it's long hold. With the Clarins we have the new mascara. When you are using, the brushing is helping to it's easy for the lady to using this one from the root to tip, how we mentioned before that. Plus it will give direct like it's the eyes, it's a new look for the eyes. No need even to put it like it's heavy makeup, just applying the mascara. She will get the eyeliner effect and she will see how with her eyes it will be look.
And as usual, we are giving away 3 of these mascaras for all you lovely viewers. Just answer this simple question, and the question is, what's the name of Clarins mascara? A. Wonder Perfect. B. Super Perfect. C. Picture Perfect. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae or go on our website, click on competition and answer the simple question. और अब वक्त हुआ है एक छोटे से break का, but we won't take too long because we have a gorgeous hunk from Hollywood who awaits us on the other side. See you in a bit. Coming up, High Life Dubai takes you to meet Scottish heartthrob Gerard Butler while he was in Dubai to attend DIFF, followed by some exclusive coverage we have of this premier film festival.